You have got a YouTube channel, 500 subs, some views, but no money, and you are probably waiting until 1k subs to start making anything from YouTube. But that's a trap because right now there are creators with 300 subscribers making far more money than creators with 30,000, and they are doing it with just one thing: digital products. No AdSense, no sponsors, just value packaged and sold straight to their tiny but loyal audience. And before you bounce, I will show you how to create your own digital product even if you suck at design or have no clue what to sell. Just stick around. Let's say someone follows you for fitness tips or productivity or editing tricks. They trust you, they like your style, they'd buy something from you if you offered it. But you don't because you are too focused on imaginary growth and not conversion. And that's where digital products change everything. Instead of waiting for 100k views to make $30 from AdSense, you make a simple guide, a checklist, a mini course, and sell it for $10. Sell it to 30 people, that's $300 easy money. And guess what? It's your content that sold it, not some algorithm. So it's completely free marketing also. Now, a digital product is anything you make once and sell infinitely. PDF guide, a Notion template, a mini ebook, a private video breakdown. If someone gets value from it delivered instantly on their phone or laptop, that's a digital product. No inventory, no shipping, no headache. And it's the fastest method that you can use to monetize the channel with as little as 100 subscribers. But now you might say, but I don't have the skills to design something like that. Or worse, I don't even know what I would sell. That's fair. But here's the thing. If you have built an audience of even 100 people, you have already proven you know something they want. Now you don't need a full course, you don't need it to be perfect. Just need a simple product that solves one problem, and if even that sounds overwhelming, I got something for you. Now, if you have got an audience but no product or no time to build one, I am working on something that gives small creators done for digital products, design, packaged, and ready to sell in less than 2 weeks. It's built for people exactly like you